A list of human abilities. Likes it, dislikes it. One of my friends. He hates poetry. He doesn't understand anything about it. He hates mathematics and doesn't understand anything about it. He hates fishing. How can anyone waste their life on that? He hates pointless conversations. He hates relaxing. He hates being rushed. That's different, friends. Each of these activities contains certain limitations that must be overcome in order to get insight and master the subject. I call this the task head at demand. People who cannot master an activity often end up hating it. I call it he lacks the abilities for the task. Так, 25 способностей – это 3 пакета. Первый пакет – упаковка реальности, 10 вариантов. Второй пакет – средства связи, 11 вариантов. Третий пакет – внутреннее время, 4 варианта. Итого 25. 25 abilities, 3 packs. How we package reality, 10 options. Communication channels, 11 options. Inner time type, 4 options. Inner time type, sustainable, fast, slow, average, unstable. Communication channels with small packages, 5 options, with average packages, 3 options, with large packages, 3 options. In reality with typical structures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Objects, lines, planes, systems. Current state of mind. How much? 1 and 200 zeros. Which abilities do you have and which ones don't you have? Let me know in the comments below.